Get ready and learn easy. Welcome to Maths channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
So in this video, we are going to see 4th chapter quadratic equation exercise 4.2 third question. In the third question, they are asked to find two numbers whose sum is 27. So two numbers, if we are adding these, we will get 27 and product is 182. What does it mean? The product of two numbers. We doesn't know these two numbers. If we product this, we will get 182. If we add these two numbers, we will get 27. That is the condition. And we have to find what are all those numbers. So first, we doesn't know the numbers. Let us take the two numbers be x and y. We doesn't know the numbers, so we are taking those two numbers be, one is x, another one is y. Now what they had given, two numbers whose sum is 27. Okay, sum of the two numbers, they had given is equal to 27. So sum of the two numbers means we already taken these two numbers be x and y. Now we are adding these two numbers. So sum of these two numbers, that is equal to 27. We make this as equation 1. And next one, they had given product is 182. So product of the two numbers. So product of the two numbers, what they had given, 182. Product of the two numbers is 182. So product means x into y. We had taken the number as x and number as y. First number is x and second number is y. So product means x into y, that is equal to 182. Now we are going to make an equation which is full of x. Here we have x and y is equal to 182, that is product. Now we have to find the value of y. Y is equal to what? 182 divided by x. Okay. So now we can able to substitute this value in equation 1. So yeah, equation 1 will become throughout the term of x. So that will be easy for us to solve the question. Now make this equation be 2. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. So we are going to substitute the value of y is equal to 182 divided by x in the place of equation 1. Now what will happen? X plus, we know the value of y is equal to this by 182 divided by x. So 182 divided by x, that is equal to 27. Now simplify this equation. So x into x will become x square plus 182 divided by x, that is equal to 27. Now moving this x to RHS, we will get x square plus 182, that is equal to 27 into x. So this will become 27x. Now we are moving this 27x from RHS to LHS. We will get the quadratic equation form. So x square plus 182. This 27x will become minus of 27x, that is equal to 0. Now rearrange these as like a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c. So first one is x square term, next one is x, and finally constant. Here x square term, you already have x square and the x term is minus of 27ax, and finally the constant is plus 182, that is equal to 0. Now this is in the form of quadratic equation x square minus 27x plus 182, that is equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant is 182. We have to multiply this. We will get 182. We have to split this 82 into two numbers. If we multiply these two numbers, we have to get 182. If we add these two numbers, we have to get minus of 27. So it is somewhat critical to find the 182 factors, means you have to go ahead with factorization division method. Now I am taking 2 means 2 9s are 18, 1. 91 is in the tables of 1 is 7. So I am taking the 7 tables. 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21. So the factors are 13 into 7 into 2. So we can able to align these 3 into 2 numbers while we are multiplying two numbers we have to get 182 and adding these two numbers we will get 27x. Now this is for 13 and this is 7 into 2 will become 14. So 13 into 14 will become 182. If we are adding these 13, this 14, we will get 27. But we need to get minus of 27. I'm putting sign, both of the sign will be minus. So both signs, if we add, we will get minus 27. See, minus 13 minus 14, we will get minus of 27. If we add, multiply minus 13 and minus 14, this minus into minus will become plus, and 13 into 14, we will get 182. So in the place of minus of 27x, we are going to write this minus 13x and minus 14x. Now this equation will become minus 27x. We are going to write minus 13x minus 14x plus 182. Now see, minus 13 minus 14. We can able to get this minus 27x. Here we are now going to take out the common terms which is present in the first two and second two. Now we can able to get take out the x from this first two. What will happen if we are taken out the x means this equation will become x minus 13. So x into x is x square, plus into minus minus, x into 13 is 13x. And now here we are taking the minus 14. So minus 14 we are taking outside means remaining x will be there, minus. So minus into minus will become plus 13. See, we already know 13 into 14 is 182. We have taken this 14 outside, so remaining thing is 13. I'm taking this minus means we have to put minus, then only minus into minus will get plus. 14 into 13 is 182. Now the common terms is here x minus 3. Again x minus 13. X minus 13 we are taking outside. Here x will be the remaining thing and here minus 14 will be the remaining thing. That is equal to 0. Now equating these two is equal to 0. Now we will get x minus 13 is equal to 0 and x minus 14 is equal to 0. So the value of x here is 13 and the value of x here is equal to 14. Now the roots of the quadratic equation. The final answer is the root of the quadratic equation. What is the equation we had? Find this x square minus 27x and plus 182 is equal to 0 or 13 and 14. And they had asked in the question the two numbers whose sum is. The product and sum they had given. So we have to find the two numbers. Hence finally we have to write the answer. Hence the two numbers are 13 and 14. See, this is what the quadratic equation. They had given in the question the two numbers product 13 and 14. We get the product as 182 and the sum is 27. Finally we have find the two numbers 13 and 14. If we are multiplying these we will getting 182 and if we are adding both numbers we can able to get the 27. That is the question. But by using this quadratic equation only we can able to find this. This is what the quadratic equation. Right. Thank you.
தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் அவர் சேனல். மறக்காமல் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க அண்ட் உங்களுடைய கமெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் கொஷின்ஸை மறக்காமல் கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.